right, there we go. Hello. How's it going? What we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at this whole number division activity, and I'm going to help y'all work through it just in case you need help. All right, so we're going to take a look at it. First off, you just click through the slides, and once you're on the slide, so the problem that we are solving today involves an egg toss. We will watch a video that shows us how the game is played. It's a ridiculous video. So that was a bunch of aggressive jazz music for some egg tossing, but that's what an egg toss looks like. So let's go ahead and see what they want us to figure out about the egg toss. Oh, geez. Okay, we saw the egg toss. Let's move on. All right, so how many eggs? That's going to be the activity that we're figuring out. All right. So it says, notice that in this game, each pair of partners needs one egg. So if we played this game as a whole school, how many eggs would you need? Well, let's figure out how many kids are at school first, because we don't know that. Okay, cool. They gave us a number. They're saying 546 kids are at school. I don't think that's Boone, but that's what we're going to use. So 546. 546 is our dividend. It's the number that we're splitting up. All right. Now, they were saying 546 people are at the school. Now, also, what we need to realize is that each pair of people needs one egg. So 546 eggs is way too many, because for every two people, they will use one egg. So how can we find out how many eggs we need? So if we took the dividend, which is representing the amount of students, right? Number of students, right? And then we're going to divide it by how many, or what number groups we're putting them into. And we're putting them into groups of 2. All right? Oh, oops. I'm going to label that divisor. All right, so we're looking at a dividend of 546 and a divisor of 2. So there's a lot of different ways that you can set this up to solve it. If you wanted to do the big 7, remember, it's like that. You're just going to try and get rid of groups of 2, as many groups of 2 as possible. Or you can, of course, do sonic division / long division. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. You can do it either way. All right. Remember, if you're taking out groups of 2, you can take out like lots of groups of 2 at once, right? So let's say that I wanted to take away, let's just take away 100 groups of 2. 100 groups of 2, all right? So 100 times 2 is 200. So I can immediately take away 100 groups of 2. 6 minus 0 is 6, 4 minus 0 is 4, 5 minus 2 is 3. Can I take away another 100 groups of 2? Yeah. Because 100 times 2 is 200, and our number is still bigger than 200, so we just took away another 100 groups of 2. Let's subtract. We have 146. All right, so now start to think to yourself, can we get rid of some large groups of 2? So let's try something. How about 50 groups of 2? What's 50 times 2? 5 times 2, let's use the 0 trick. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 extra 0 is 100. So yeah, we could get rid of 50 groups of 2 by subtracting 100. It gives us 46 left over. All right. Can we get rid of more groups of 2? How about 10 groups of 2? 10 groups of 2 is 20. So we could subtract 20. And that gets us 26. So we could take another 10 groups away. 10 groups of 2 is 20. Making another 20. It gives us 6. And how many groups of 2 can we remove from 6? Yeah, 3 times 2 is 6. So we can remove 3 groups of 2. And we will divide out evenly. So if we add up all of these partial quotients, 100, 200, 250, 60, 73, it looks like if we divided 546 into 2 groups, we'd have 273. And remember, you can check that by multiplying 273 times 2 to find out if it's 546. All right, in the next video, I'm going to come back and do the exact same thing with long division or sonic division, and then we'll finish this problem out.